Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to add money in your Exodus app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add money in your Exodus wallet, all you need to do is simply tap open your Exodus wallet itself. So once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on any of the crypto you want to add. So once you tap on the crypto, you need to tap on the downward like icon. Simply after you do so, you need to now be redirected to this page where you can scan the wallet address from any other device or share your BTC address to receive money from that particular account. Once you do so, you will be able to add some money in your Exodus wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.